Hey, it's Sean Davis with Sure-Trac Trailers. Today I want to go over the features and benefits of our steel deck car hauler. This particular model is our 10,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating. It comes standard with a 7,000 pound drop leg jack. This jack contains a drop foot on it, so you don't have to crank the jack all the way up and all the way down. The jack is also conveniently set back so it'll clear the tailgate of your truck. Trailer features a SureFlow heavy-duty aerodynamic bulkhead, stake pockets, rub rail, spare tire mount. We also do a full seam weld on this bed. This just provides more structural support to the steel. Aluminum wheels. Trailer is equipped with a 4-foot Beavertail. The Beavertail in combination with the 5-foot slide-out ramps gives it optimal loading for multiple vehicle and configurations. D-rings for securing your vehicle, and a heavy-duty tread plate fender. The driver's side is standard as a removable fender. This just provides additional clearance for your door when trying to get out of your vehicle. This is Sean Davis with Sure-Trac. If you have any questions on the steel deck car hauler or any other Sure-Trac, please get online and see us at Sure-Trac.com.